Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging both AirPods Pro and the case until they read above 50%, then open Settings Bluetooth and keep the iPhone unlocked. Once done, hold the closed case within 3-5 inches of the phone and flip it open. You'll see the setup animation. Tap Connect on screen, follow the on-device prompts for left/right fit tests, and set up Hey Siri if prompted. Make sure to allow notifications and permissions. This ensures seamless system integration and optimal performance. Now you refine fit and learn controls. You'll run the ear tip fit test. It measures seal and sound quality, so change tips until you get a good seal. Once comfortable, practice the force sensor. Squeeze once to play or pause, twice for next track, 3 times to go back, and press and hold to toggle noise modes. Use Control Center or Settings to switch between active noise canceling and transparency, and assign press and hold behavior per ear for personalized control. Finish by optimizing advanced settings. Enable spatial audio for immersive sound, set microphone to automatic or fixed side, and customize each ear's press and hold action. Once done, pair with other Apple devices via iCloud for automatic switching. If you hit a problem, reset the case. Place AirPods in, hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Repair afterward. For audio issues, clean ear tips and charging contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.